Hello, my name is Greg Sheehy, president of Extrutech Plastics, located in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. Extrutech is a custom extruder of high quality, innovative building products including wall and ceiling panels, concrete wall forms, doors, shutter components, and many styles of accent trims and solid boards used in today's construction projects. Today I want to show you how easy it is to build a grow room or a process room using our P224 wall panels. These panels are extruded out of a virgin high-quality polymer that will not yellow, fade, or discolor and won't rot, rust, or corrode over time. These panels have a smooth, non-porous, glossy surface and are completely waterproof, which makes them perfect for high moisture areas where sanitation is critical. These multi-chamber panels are 24 inches wide and 2¼ inches thick and can be insulated to give you an R10 value. These panels have a tongue and groove design, which makes assembly quick and easy. Longer panels come with steel reinforcements that are placed inside the panels. We also supply the necessary trims that fit these panels, including a base U-channel, a slip-on outside corner, and a fitted outside corner. Once we complete the walls, we will install our fiberglass suspended ceiling system, as you can see behind me, and drop in our CP2400 ceiling panels to complete this grow room. We extrude these wall panels and ceiling panels to your exact specifications for length based on your shop drawings. Once the order is completed, we ship them as a pre-cut kit to your job site for assembly. They can come in 3 colors, white, beige, or gray, and are color fast. These panels are accepted by USDA and the CFIA in Canada for construction of food, process rooms, or grow rooms. These wall and ceiling panels have a full 20-year warranty and are 100% recyclable. As you can see, we've already started construction of this grow room. Now we want to go through the steps of assembling the panels, putting in a door, and installing a window. So Mike is going to put in the first panel down into the channel in the floor, and he's going to snap it into the previous panel, just like that. So now we've installed the last panel on this wall. The next step is to install the corner piece onto that panel. As such. Now once we've installed the corner on the last panel, we can start building the front wall of this grow room. We will put in the first panel into the bottom base channel and tip that into the corner into place. Now the next step would be to install the panels that will frame the opening for our walk-in door. Then we will fasten the top with screws to hold this panel in place. So now after we've framed the opening for the doorway, the next step is to make a frame opening for our window, which is a 22 by 30. In this case, we have a lower panel which we're going to set into place now. The next step will be to place the panel that will form the top portion of the window opening as such. Once we have the window opening framing pieces in place, we'll start with the next full panel as such. So one of the steps you may want to do as you're putting your room together you may want to add some silicone caulk to the groove of each of the panels as you put them together. So now we're ready to put in the last panel in this front wall of this grow room. But the last dimension is more than 24 inches. So we had to cut a filler piece to fit on the last panel. In this case, it's about 5 inches wide. We've attached that piece to the final panel, and now we're going to put it into place to finish this front wall. The final step in putting these walls together is to add the final corner piece to the two opposing walls at this corner. So now that we have the front wall framed up and we have our openings for our door and our window, we're going to proceed and put the framing for this window together. We use an aluminum frame with an acrylic safety glass in all of our clean rooms and grow rooms. So the next step in putting this window together is to put the backside frame in place into the opening. Then we're going to add the acrylic safety glass. We're now going to install this custom-made door into our new grow room. We need to add 3 screws, one in each hinge on the hinge side of the door. And then we're going to add 3 screws to the stop side of the door behind the weather strip. So now we have the door installed. We're going to go inside and complete the ceiling. And we're going to drop in our suspended ceiling panels, our CP2400, which is 3/8 of an inch thick and is completely reversible. Now sometimes when these rooms are built, you want to connect cross walls in the middle of the room. So first thing is to add a C-channel to the wall in the location that you desire the cross wall to be. And then we'll place a panel for the intersecting wall into place. Extrutech Plastics sells these high-quality wall and ceiling products to the commercial grow industry, food processing, car wash, and agricultural industry. We service North America, Mexico, and the Canadian markets with custom-made wall and ceiling products for most production facilities. We also export products around the world. Thank you for watching this video and learning more about the family of Extrutech Plastics building components. Please contact us at 888-818-0118 to speak to one of our friendly sales staff. You may also reach us by email at info@epiplastics.com. Visit our website at www.epiplastics.com to learn more about Extrutech Plastics. Remember, all of our products are proudly made in the USA since 1992. Thank you.